is for B is for C is for
Ganun may mga ano pa pitik, grabe sila Parang pang ano na siya, pang kabuhayan showcase yung pagko-collide.
D is for E is for F is for
Finger ground. Search natin dito. Finger ground. Finger ground. Finger ground. Alala ka, hello.
G is for
Grabe yun siya, kalami. Bye.
H is for I is for J is for K is for L is for M is for N is for O is for P is for Q is for
20 from the Queen City of the South, Cebu.
R is for S is for T is for
Tang. Ina.
U is for V is for
Confession.
W is for X is for
Tunog lumok.
Y is for
Yes, Lord. Tatapos din tayo na to.
Z is for